What is going on, guys? It's RdnRacing back here with another video, and today we have the 2012 Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG Coupe Black Series, and I'm super pumped to have this in my collection to be able to share this with you. So yeah, if you guys remember, I've actually done a video on the Mercedes-Benz printer. I'll leave a link to the description and as well as the top right here. And then of course I'm doing the Black Series right now, and then of course there would be the Mercedes C-Class DTM touring car, and I'll do that in a video in the future as well. And of course the Porsche and the Audi I have not yet, so I don't know, I'll keep on searching for them. But without further ado, we are going to unbox this car in a bit, and I'm going to show you all about it. So just let me get my pen knife and I'll quickly cut the box open. So like you guys know, I actually do collect the box as well. If you guys, I will maybe one day do a video on that, but I actually save all the cuts of all my premiums as well as few of the main lines that I think it's really cool, and partly because the design on the car, it's amazing. I think the visual presentation of the car, I think that's insane and well done. So let's not talk about that anymore and dwell right into the vehicle. So obviously right off the bat, the car just feels amazing to hold. I think it really gives a very race car vibes, and obviously this is built for speed, right? So yeah, we're just gonna start off from the left side of the car. So nothing much, there aren't any decals, just the 63 at the front. If you guys can, let me just try to zoom in a bit. Let me just try to get a focus right. There you go, you can see the 63 right at the front right there. And that's all for decals. There isn't a single decal at all. Yeah, the wheels look amazing as well. Let me just get that. Alright, the wheels look amazing as well. These silver spoke rims look freaking amazing. I think those are great. And yeah, so let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this car so far. And of course, if you move on to the front, you can see the Girth Nation, welcome back to the channel. I mean, look at that. The fender flares, they are amazing. It really makes the car look menacing and awesome. Of course, you've got the Mercedes logo as well, and the headlight temples as well as the grille. Obviously these are printed, they aren't plastic headlights, which is a little different. And then of course you got all the aero ducts, and I think it's a very small detail, and I didn't realize it at first, but I think these aero ducts really make the front of the car ever so menacing. And of course, if you look at the left of the vehicle right here, yeah, did I say left earlier on? I think that was the right side, so this is the left side of the vehicle. So obviously it's the same. You can see the 63 at the front fender as well. But yeah, that's about it for decals. And then of course we move on to the back. I mean, Girth Nation, look at welcome back, like I keep saying, because this car is amazing. Of course, you've got the AMG logo, right? The AMG on the number plate as well as C63, and the Mercedes logo. And yeah, so obviously you've got an exhaust pipe as well, but those are stickers, which is a tad bit disappointing. Obviously at the same time you've got the spoiler, which I'm not really a huge fan of as well. It's quite plain. And yeah, looking at the base, unfortunately this is the only thing that disappoints me, because if you guys have seen my last videos, there are a lot of cars right now, even main lines, where Hotwheels have decided to put details at the bottom, things like your exhaust and your transmission and your gear shafts, but here nothing, it's plain. But yeah, that's just a small thing, no one really cares, but I mean, it's still, it would have been nice to have it. And yeah, so we're just gonna have a few rolling shots, and I'll see you at the end. And just like that, guys, we've come to the end of the video. Like I mentioned to you, there are a few more cars in my collection of like this Mercedes-Benz right there. That's a classic vehicle. And then of course there's a race car as well. Where is it? There it is, the Mercedes. I've done an unboxing of that as well. And then over here we've got a Mercedes, another classic vehicle, super pumped, and I'll put a link to that video in the description as well, so do remember to check it out. And lastly, like I mentioned to you, the C-Class DTM touring car right there, I'll do a future video, and keep in tune for that. And just like that, this video is over and I'm out. Bye.